superpose these two cords, and I will take the third cord that I prepared for the sliding knot. In order to make the sliding knot, I will superpose these two ends of the cord and I'll find the middle of the cord. I will put this cord under the two cords like this, and I will make a knot here like this. So I made a simple overhand knot. Let's see from a closer distance. And now I will start making the sliding knot. I will make a loop first of all on the right side, then after I make the first knot I will make the second loop on the left side, then I make another knot, then I again make a loop on the right side and then on the left side, and I will continue making knots until there is no more cord. So let's see how I do that. So I make a loop like this, I put the cord from the right side over the two cords, then I take the cord on the left side, put it over the cord that came from the right side and under the two cords here like this. So under these two cords here. And now I will take the cord and put it from below and take it out like this through the loop that I created, and I make the first knot like this. So as you can see, we have made the first knot of the sliding knot. Now, as I've told you before, I will make another loop but on the left side. Then I take the cord from the right side, put it over this cord, put it under the two cords like this, and then take it out through this loop, this way, like this. And I have created the second knot of the sliding knot. So I have two knots here. And let's continue. I will make another knot on the right side again. I take the cord from the left side, put it over this cord and take it under the two cords to the right side. And now I will take it out through this loop here. And I made a third knot. Again I make a loop on the left side, put the cord over this other cord that I brought from the left side, under the two cords like this, and then I will take it out through this loop here. And I have the fourth knot. Now again I make a loop on this side and I take this other cord like this through the loop and make the knot. And I will continue making these knots until there is no more cord here. And now that I can no longer make knots because the cord is too short, I will just cut the cord like this. to prevent these knots from opening, I will just take some glue and apply it on these two ends, like this. The making of sliding knots is very easy. I will explain to you how to create the sliding knots. So I have these two cords, pieces of cord, and I will take one of them and put it over the other. And now I will grab the two pieces of cord and I will start turning one of the cords around the other. So I will take it once like this over the cord and take it out on the other side and make one loop and another loop. So as you can see, these two loops must not be very tight because we shall have to put the end of the cord through the loops. So I took the end of the cord out on this side and now I will put this end of the cord through these two loops, like this. So I put the end of the cord through the two loops. So I have the end of the cord here and I have this loop here. Now I will take this end of the cord and put it through this loop here, like this. This way. And I have made one of the sliding knots. And now I will make the sliding knot on the other side. I will turn the necklace on this other side and I will superpose the two cords like this. I will grab the cord here, the two cords. I will put the cord over the first cord and then turn it around the other cord twice. I will take the cord out on this side, then put it through the loop once, then the second time, this way, and then I will take it out through this loop here, like this. And now I have also made the second sliding knot, and now let's see what the finished necklace looks like. So we have these two sliding knots here on both sides and the pendant, the shell pendant and the beads in the middle. And with the sliding knots you can adjust the length of the necklace.